so that we can address them. Here we are looking at the characteristics of a good cloud. A good cloud should be scalable. It simply means it should adhere to the architecture principles of increasing resources should result in proportional increase in its performance. A good cloud should also be operationally efficient by minimizing the manual administration or the manual effort involved in managing the cloud services. It should also be designed for failure or fault tolerant, which simply means that cloud services cannot fail simply causing inconsistencies. It should always be available, and it should be in a consistent state all the time. In case of any failure, the cloud services should have the capability to inform all the stakeholders so that the mistake can be corrected. A good cloud should also be elastic, available, and rapidly elasticity is required. A dynamic scaling with minimal manual operation effort or an automated scaling is what everyone desires, and that should be a good characteristics of a good cloud. Also, a good cloud should adhere to the economic scale of the people who pay the bills for your cloud services. They look at the cloud more as a capital expenditure being converted into operational expenditure. Hence, simply migrating your application to cloud will not help take maximum use of the cloud. Hence, a good cloud service should be able to distribute its load on all the resources it is having, and it should be able to run well with the fewer computing resources. One of the key problems addressed by REST, which you will see in a little while. All the cloud services also should be decoupled very loosely so that interoperability can be easily achieved. You may see that there are many number of mashups or Internet of Things which are available today, or a single page that you may visit on any of the websites is no more coming from a single vendor or a single service. It is always distributed with multiple vendors doing multiple things on your single web page, such as you go to a website or a Facebook app where you read an article, you like it, and you click on tweet it or like it or share it, which is again shared on the different vendors' system. It all is easily possible to do provided your cloud service is interoperable, which is again solved by the REST principles. Let's have a look at the challenges of a good cloud service. There are multiple challenges, not just one or two. However, here I have listed few of them, which seems to be more important to today's world. Cloud services are always work on heterogeneous networks, which means cloud services can be accessed via PC, via a tablet, via a mobile, or even any other connected device, such as your fridge or TV. The other challenge is to match the capacity with the load increase. A simple effect like /dot effect, which is recently happened when WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook, the number of hits on WhatsApp was too many. Such spikes in your load should be handled using your same capacity by your cloud service. However, because of the heterogeneous quality, different components may scale in a different way. So, in overall, these are the other listed challenges, such as avoiding of in-memory state, reliability, automated resource provisioning, security, measurability, cost per unit, and thus spreading of the cost and risk around all the available resources in the cloud. Now let's see how our each REST constraints help addressing these problems.